Please enjoy this view of the city of Naturita, Colorado. We are watching the weather come in and taking a pan view of the city and its layout within the valley. Enjoy the scenery and unique overhead views. Personally, the new playground is coming along nicely. Enjoy.
Living at the bottom of the river canyon takes away the horizon. Having this tool to take airborne and look over approaching weather helps us prepare for possible activity. It is an added level of security that we miss from living on the open plains of North Dakota.
The city has been isolated, and cell phone services and high-speed fiber-based internet are just now coming online. Residents and businesses have been victimized by a cruel local monopoly that has prevented affordable telco options from reaching the valley for decades. Full high-speed internet and phone service required to run a visual studio runs well over $200 a month on a regular basis. That is with no cell service lease. Now that 5G is appearing in the area, we look forward to the floodgates of technology pouring its benefits all over both cities in the area. As you may notice if you are from the area, the city has completely restructured the park. You can no longer drive along the river's edge. That has been made into a modern walking path to enhance the park experience by cutting off the traffic. Expanded parking, walking paths, and new landscaping highlight the investment the community has made in this project. It has already added to the appearance of the city. Thanks for watching, and have a great weekend.